So what did we learn about these anti-aging creams?
It sounds like we need to be careful about the claims that companies are making. The experiments had small sample sizes, so we don't know how to account for individual differences.
Yeah, so for example, in the human trial, they only looked at one demographic, which was postmenopausal women, and they didn't even have a control group.
And the other studies didn't use human models yet.
Plus, we have to consider that some of the studies were funded by the companies, which is a conflict of interest.
But is there any reason to trust their findings?
Well, there can be some use for this information, we just have to be critical of it. So for instance, bacteria can act as antioxidants with the compounds that they produce, and they can also help against photoaging.
With any kind of skincare creams, we have to be mindful that it's only applied on the surface, so all of its effects are limited by how far it soaks into your skin.
So in conclusion, while probiotics can be really helpful in treating oxidative damage and photoaging, they're not really as tightly regulated as medications, and so I don't think I would use one for aging slower.
Yeah, that's a bold claim. Even if they demonstrate that a bacteria-derived compound works in the lab, you can't really mass produce it necessarily. Therefore, most commercial products are just marketing. They're not science.
But the skin microbiome deserves further research because we have seen that bacteria can play a role in defending your skin against UV damage over time, and this has implications for skin aging.